Hi there. Are you a business owner or self-employed and wondering if your car could help you save money at tax time? You're in the right place. In this video, we're breaking down how to use your car as a business expense for a tax deduction. Let's dive into the details, pun intended. Using your car as a business expense can reduce your taxable income, which means more money stays in your pocket. But before you hit the gas, you need to know the basics. There are two main methods to deduct car expenses: the standard mileage rate and actual expenses. The standard mileage rate is a simple way to calculate your deduction. For every mile you drive for business, the IRS allows you to deduct a set rate. For example, in 2025, the rate is 70 cents per mile. Keep in mind, this covers costs like gas, maintenance, and wear and tear on your vehicle. To use this method, you need to keep an accurate log of your business miles. Apps like MileIQ or QuickBooks can make this super easy. Now, the second option is the actual expense method. This is a bit more detailed but can lead to a bigger deduction if you use your car heavily for business. With this method, you'll calculate the percentage of time you use your car for business versus personal use. Then you apply that percentage to costs like gas, insurance, repairs, and even depreciation. For example, if 60% of your car's use is for business, you can deduct 60% of those costs. But what counts as business use? Here are some examples: traveling to meet clients, driving to business-related events, or picking up supplies for your business. Commuting from home to your office doesn't count, but traveling between two business locations does. To ensure you're audit ready, keep these records. 1. A detailed mileage log or app report. 2. Receipts for all expenses if using the actual expense method. And 3. Any documents supporting your business trips, like client appointments or event schedules. Remember, good documentation can make or break your deduction claim. Before we wrap up, here are some bonus tips. First, if you're leasing a car, you can deduct lease payments, but the rules are a bit different, so check with a tax professional. And second, if you're self-employed, your car deduction is claimed on Schedule C. For employees, deductions for car expenses have become more limited since 2018, so consult your tax advisor. And there you have it. Everything you need to know about deducting your car as a business expense. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on managing your business finances. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy driving towards savings.